Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your credit card account on American Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in americanexpress.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official American Express website, from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner to proceed with logging into your account. Now, once you click on the login button, you will be taken into the login portal. From the login portal, you will simply be asked to enter your credentials. Now, before typing in your user ID and password, look underneath the account type option and make sure that cards and banking is selected. This will allow you to directly log in to your credit card account. So now type in your user ID followed by your password, and after entering both of these, click on the login button. And now you will be logged in to your credit card account on American Express. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on the American Express website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.